Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change your password on Pinterest using your mobile device. Whether you want to boost your account security or simply update your password, this quick and easy guide will walk you through every step. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone. Once the app is open, head straight to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can manage your account settings. Next, look for the option called Account Management. Tap on it, and you'll be directed to a page with various settings related to your account. This is where you can control everything from your password to privacy preferences. Now find and tap on the password option. This is where you'll be able to update your current password to something new and more secure. When you tap on it, you'll see fields to enter your new password and then confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account safe. After entering your new password and confirming it, simply save the changes. And that's it. Your Pinterest password has been successfully updated on your mobile device. Remember to use a password that's unique and not easily guessable to protect your account from unauthorized access. Changing your password regularly is a great habit to keep your online presence secure. Plus, Pinterest makes it super simple to manage your account settings right from your phone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Stay safe and happy pinning.